Hello, in this video we'll show you how to make your Facebook account private on iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the options. From there, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Privacy Checkup. This feature helps you review and adjust your privacy settings. Now tap on Who can see what you share. Tap on Continue to start adjusting your settings. Here you'll need to make your email private by selecting Only Me. This ensures only you can see your email on your profile. Next, do the same with your date of birth by selecting Only Me. You'll also need to do the same for your hometown, setting it to Only Me. Scroll down and adjust any other personal information you want to keep private, making sure to select Only Me for each one. Once you've done that, tap on Next. On the next screen, you'll choose who can see your posts and stories. To keep your account private, select Only Me. After you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be private and only you will have access to the information you've restricted. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.